Hey there guys, so we're gonna install our piping because we removed the other one that was broken. So I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm gonna keep it as short as I can. So we removed the old pipe that broke. We got this hopped up for free. So we're trying to repair it and hopefully we can save a lot of money. So let's start. So one of the few things I did originally, like you guys see in this pipe, it did not come with a removable cap, so I add that so I can drain it in the winter when we're not using it. So easiest way to remove these ones is you're gonna splice it in pieces, like in this case splice it right here, and then each one of them remove it, cut it right there. Once you get it outside, you're gonna have a hose like this with this thing cut off like this. So you're gonna heat it up around like that until the hose is soft. Then with the very fine screwdriver, you go in and start working the glue all the way around. Until you get it, you got some pliers, put them through, twist it, and boom. So still got a lot of water that needs to work around this. So I'm gonna drain it more and I'm gonna continue with the video. So let's try this. So I'm gonna warm up the hoses a little bit so I can bend them around, and I have to go all the way in there. So we're gonna be using this primer and this blue cement for PVC. So the whole idea is that the other piece I need to remove, the other piece I need to install because we haven't removed it, is gonna be this piece. So basically it's two pieces. So we're gonna glue it together and it's gonna go somewhere right there, just like that, without those hoses. So let's work around this and pretty much make my life easier to warm up all these hoses because they're kind of hard. Alright guys, so we installed our piece. Now we're gonna prep the hoses. We're gonna make them a little bit soft, and we're gonna add the blue glue. We're gonna be very generous about it. So we're gonna put some on the nipple. Make sure you go all the way around, and we're gonna do some in the hose. One-handed, but I can still do it. So we're gonna be very generous. We want no leaks whatsoever. No leaks. So we're gonna go in there. We're gonna try to bend this hose. And I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna go all the way in. We're gonna grab our pliers. We're gonna put the crown back where it belongs. Little by little, just work it in there. Let me see if I can get you a better view. There we go. That's basically the whole idea. One by one, just have patience. We're gonna do the same thing with this. Grab our glue. We're gonna be generous in this one. And also, we're gonna be generous on the hose. So grab my glue. Soak it in there. And so we can leave here. And just very generous with no leaks. Go in there all the way up. Go. Now grab a clamp and repeat. We got 4 out of 8. So since I took the other out of the way, so I'm gonna bend them back in there. So I'm just gonna pull them through so you can see that. I'm gonna give you a link for the model number of the hot tub. But basically all the hot tubs work the same. A little different on the models, but basically every one of them is the same concept. Bunch of hoses, pumps, and all the fun stuff. Wait, let's see here so you can see. Maybe. Let me see. Hello guys, so we're gonna show you how to replace a jet in a hot tub. First thing you gotta do, you gotta twist this off and gently pull it out, but with enough force to. And there we go. So the whole thing is you have to get this little locking things. So that's how you're gonna see the jet right there. Now you go behind it, and then you need to unscrew this thing right here. Obviously, you remove some hoses and the jet. So I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna try to hold my phone somewhere here. So this one I already removed previously, so it's gonna be a lot easier. So I've been replacing a lot of pieces in this hot tub. Free hot tub, by the way. So we already have this, so twist it off, push it in a little bit, just work your way out, and the jet is out. Pretty much, that's it. That's how the jet looks. Now, I already replaced this piece before, so we're gonna glue it because last time I didn't glue it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna grab our handy dandy glue. And we're gonna put some here, 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 and inside the hose. So we're gonna be generous. We want no leaks. No leaks whatsoever. And inside. And there. And clamp back in place, and we are done with this jet replacement. Parts are fairly cheap for the hot tub, as long as you got patience and a little bit of time. So far I think it's worth it. I mean, these hot tubs are like $6 grand, 7, 9, depending how big you want it. So you can get a hot tub and repair yourself. So far it's worth it. I'm gonna do the math and tell you exactly how much we spent on fixing the hot tub, including 2 brand new motors, one right here and one right there.